this brings back some old memories. We did a groundbreaking here, it was like 15 years ago. And look at us now. It's really amazing. You know, I decided a little bit more than 15 years ago, a broker came to me and said, you know, there's 340 acres up here. Would you be interested in buying it? And I came up and I looked at it and I knew immediately what needed to be done.
The opportunity to partner with Salamander Hotel brand along with Sheila Johnson for us was a no-brainer. And then you add in the fact that this project here in Middleburg is the first and maybe only project of this kind to have the opportunity to develop 49 branded residences on roughly 54 acres adjacent to this beautiful established hotel is it's a dream come true for us. And
the reason why people come to Salamander is because of the service. Our staff is incredible. The food is amazing. And there's so much to do here.
Our owners at Residences of Salamander will receive the best of the best experiences at Salamander Resort and Spa. That includes our 5-star rated spa, as well as our wonderful dining experiences, special events that we hold throughout the year, and unique experiences that are only going to be there for our Residence Club members.
But as people come in, and as soon as they enter the doors, they take a deep breath, and I say, welcome to your home.